In this video, I'll be showing you how you add equations on your Word document you're working on. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me show you guys the easiest way to do this. So you hop on your page like this, you move to your tab, which is the Insert tab here. Good. You can see equation here, just tap on that. You should have options here. This. Mostly you are going to choose this here, which is insert a new equation. Good. And then you choose maybe fraction, e-script, this or that, brackets and the rest. But then I love to use this. So now let's move to the insert back again. I love to use this rather. We move to the insert tab again, move to equation, and then you see ink equation, just tap on that. Now let's say I want to write a fraction rather. So what I'm going to do is just write it here, 3 over 5 multiplied by, let's say, 100 plus 3 in a bracket 2. Yeah. Okay, so we got the bracket and I insert it and I'm done. So I prefer using this one rather than these ones. If it's complex, you can use any of these. It's up to you. So that's it. And you see the options here, the divided, greater than, less than, all these are here, math symbols, yeah, basic math symbols here. So that's it on how you add equations on your Microsoft Word document you're working on. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.